There's my pretty girl, Bella. Say hello, Bella. What's up, you guys? It's me, Bradley, and my hubby-to-be, Dustin.
Hi.
And tonight we are in the kitchen. It is Saturday, and we are quarantined at home like many of you. And Dustin is making us...
I'm making tostadas for us tonight.
Yes, so tostadas is the Saturday night meal. We are indulging tonight. We have been trying to start eating clean, but officially on Monday, we are starting a clean eating detox with Dustin and his mom and sister. And it is going to be through the Arbonne program that his sister Melissa is a distributor for. And we are super excited. Dustin has done this before, and we drink the fizz sticks all the time, so we figured that we might as well try to be healthy. We're definitely about 30 days away from being able to hopefully go to the beach and see other people. So what better time than now to try a little cleanse and a detox and see what happens. And if you guys have any cleanses or detox that you have tried,
yes,
we want to know about them. So let us know in the comments below. We're open to trying anything. This one that we've decided to do is just one that we are comfortable with and that we know is healthy. But I know that there are so many amazing and successful programs out there. So let us know if you guys have one that you would recommend, and maybe we will try it after.
Yes, definitely. Any recipe inspo would be greatly appreciated, because I'm going to be doing most of the cooking. Bradley's going to be doing most of the tasting, not drinking. And
I guess, yeah.
Wish us luck.
Not drinking. 21 days. Are you guys like boozing it up in quarantine? Because we have been drinking more wine than normal. Thankfully, Dustin does cook, so that helps in some ways to be able to save us. But we are definitely still having some drinks regularly, and it's hard when you're sitting around the house all day long. Like, you know how they say housewives sometimes are like the drunk moms? Like, I get it. Like, I would definitely be a drunk mom if I was at home all day long and never leaving. Like, for sure. Anyways, stay tuned as we make our dinner.
Some rice for the tostadas, some avocado, a little hack with store-bought salsa and guacamole, and we'll make it taste fresh with the fresh peppers and the cilantro.
Love it. Can't wait. Got a little margarita. Cheers.
Get a little bit more flavorful, instead of using water, I'll use some chicken broth. So that'll give it a little bit more of a chicken flavor instead of such a basic brown rice.
How much are you using?
You do 2 cups of liquid for every 1 cup of solid.
Are you guys working on self-quarantine projects while you're at home? I know that we have definitely done some organizing and some cleaning, and actually earlier today we had a super cool discovery. Dustin, do you want to tell them what we have found that's life-changing?
Yes, the magic eraser.
We've known about the magic eraser, but we hadn't tried it on our wood floors yet, and there are a few spots that have been super stubborn. And today we were able to get these specific spots out. So Dustin is one happy man.
Pumped. I tried to go to Home Depot twice or 3 times today. I asked because I want more magic erasers. I didn't know about that, but literally got everything off the wall.
Yeah, he is obsessed, but I wouldn't let him go because I told him that we're supposed to be self-quarantining and not running around for aimless things, because if we do that, then everyone else does that, and that means no one's at home. Where they're supposed to be.
Have you used those?
They are awesome. So magic eraser, sponsor us, stay tuned because we're probably going to go through and do a little house project using our magic eraser, and hopefully we will have the whitest and cleanest, most sparkling clean cabinets and baseboards in all of Brentwood. But stay tuned for a future project because we are going to do that at a later date. What's this?
Just putting a little oil on the grill so that the chicken doesn't stick, and the peppers. A little lube.
You're so funny.
Well, that's funny.
We've got our little helpers here. Smells great already. I'm excited. What do you think, Bella? What do you think? Oh, she's licking her lips. Oh, kisses for Dad because she thinks that might get her some chicken. Oh. Spectators are ready.
Cheers. Last day of detox, or last day before detox. No, drink number 3.
Let us know what your quarantine drinks are. We're not going to be able to have any cocktails for the next 21 days, but once it's over, we are going to be ready to go hard. It's going to be summertime. It's going to be warm. We're going to be heading to the beach, so we're going to be wanting to try some new cocktails. So send us your favorite cocktail recipes. I do have an entire book of cocktails from 2 of my favorite people, Tom and Ariana. If you guys have not checked out their book, Fancy AF Cocktails, you should check it out because their cocktails are amazing. I'll link it below. Thanks for following along our Saturday night. Make sure to subscribe and follow us for future videos.
And if you have any detox recipes, please share. Much appreciated.
So good. What? My hair's getting wild. He knows what Dustin's family, especially his sister Chelsea, knows what that means. Oh yeah, whoa, glow up.